Bo Nkommo. Emma so on for so upon. Bo Nkommo. If you educate a woman, you educate a nation. Bo Nkommo.
Adom FM.
Or how be a dower any mono. Bo Nkommo. Who next obeche? She am a me a boa. Bo Nkommo. Bo Nkommo. Bo Nkommo. Bo Nkommo. Bo Nkommo. 106.3. Bo Nkommo.
But I mean, no, Bo Nkommo, ye twetwe nkommo, ye di nkommo ne anom nkommo. Ye be wie na nsam a wotete ho ade bi e hawo, ade bi e da wakoma so a tete wo no. Na je se ni nyina aba be sen anase wo hu no poma si bre. Ye be Bo Nkommo ne ye di nkommo ne adwendwen nkommo ho. Hwe se bebre wo ho ma ya na si utirimu ho ba bi a wo famfa. Ebi ho aso ate ye na se nye sa aso na wo pese wote. Ebi ho anipa a wote ne nye ono na wo pese wote. Ebi ho obi a oye na adwe se wate na sodin a wotie ne nye sa nipa na apese wotie obo wa ba bi obi ba kire mu kura kwa koduru anya ho na apese nkasem ni duru eno so ti na ye Bo Nkommo ho no mo ye tena sese ya na ye dwate mu efisa no kwase no ye to da bi kura na ye nyina ye nipa yi nipa bi amfom so mpa ho da bi wa na wo ya de bi an hye da ntwa yi but se wo bi an discuss ya na obi an kan wasem wo ba bi mu ahu se de wo ye na ye nyambra nsem wo hu bi wa hu se sa de na wo ye no sabi e ye nkwase asem na se ye discuss wa ha no mo saa na mo hu se ani asa de me ye se nyansa bi anim ani erade mo fa chame so ate ase na ye nyina ya sorry e de afrim ya family lady reverend mami ebo siedu me dofo nyame onhyira wo papa said de bia wo bon content e betena na wa behwe programming na nneoma akoye na emo make how say Suzy Herbal Center for producers of CB men and women capsules and one boy as boy Adom almost also was CB soap and so I see you now so we pedicure e be see you now kama e ma wo mo ewo yi almost say etaikeka wo mo vagina discharge almost any feelings in it just a menstrual cramps ni ade ebebo papa mema nso a almost ye de bi akatita acha obe mu mana say wodwonso no emma ana bibi etete wo wo se bia wodwonso no kura emu timi pai mienu ni ade koto CB CB men capsules asana Black Rock honey whiskey so whiskey crudging de honey flavor ye de infuse na kama wow no mo abosi koyi enti mo munya ahogwa ohogwa ne ne afi o peso otimi 7 na de eno ane so be man Black Rock honey whiskey sanso na alomo at 20 years alomo bitters 20 years na wenya no your authentic herbal bitters is 20 years hooray was a free sabre ya from September your mo chen your ma bebre ntinya wunya to 50 milliliters sachet na onumu wia omobe mawo aponchi live goat eni okutane kon na wode kofi ombesan so etimi amawo t-shirt ombesan so etimi amawo smartphones and smart TVs and a lot of free drinks na ultimate price no the car na emomu se o say se wunya 18 years ahwe na wankwa kofa bi pregnant woman so enko no bi sanyu mekwe na boy Adom sa so na make out se prayer train no me catch was a mama reverend debia anajubia mene we are afa na nyina ene London for America for Spain for Australia for Nigeria babia Italy France so babia every part of the world they are all on the prayer train ye bompaye na me chire nyame asem ye wi aye gina so de bompaye anwanwasem esisi wo ho no edoso ennessesi a obi na obi de testimony ama wa worry several years o ma hwa ni wo bi ama o ka chemo se mami asofo di edi misika omo be mix concoction edi amama no money ade enne wakwa check wode ne results nyina ba damponfo wo mo dampon hospital for omo yi je say eye omo yi almost eye edi ama me hu say omo reports ne din boswa ya testing positive for pregnancy enya sem anwanwade esi ne edoso wo mo a enka omo ne omo yira omo nsaka omo ete se nioma kese omo kunu magya omo de ni fie aware ni ho omo nya aware eye bebre adanse ne de prayer train de sesi ade ope ba bi adanse wa eye ho a eno so eye genuine nyankopon no enya azade eni bi na eye genuine nyankopon na eye nyame honhon konkoro etai kire na wo ya nwanwasem enti mpacho sabre ade bia wani da so sa wo pese o hwehwe nyame dia nyame beka nya ne ho dia ma na emom sa ye bibi keke na pese bia me pesika keke ene ha ho because ho ye nyesika dro na emom sa wo de wakoma ebre nyame na wo to bo ase bre ho ase woni nimu a sesi aye 21 days fasting enti so pese obeka ho bia betima ba beka ho bi na miracles akese a e wo train so no wonso unsa aka obetimi join on Facebook the prayer train with Reverend Mami Gold and ajubia 12 midnight ni yatenase ansana wo Instagram so Reverend Mami Gold Miami Instagram page o join o follow me on Instagram about 12 midnight now what they wonsa o dey cost ro abe be actual live no now they click so no atom they just want wait me join ti nyame nhira we na nwumre me hwe wanim any every time bia se se aso de nyame ale adom ye bie yen nti ye bie ti se nwan ye de kugu dem no ase no wabre so ti Sunday Saturday idi Achimota Forest the be butu go ti be bia so bia na wa join na ye se 1 hour o enti dwen time ni hu ye we later just militia for be chi yen enti brantem na bibia enti mi enkoye 100 ne di ahwe ye just on be boye Merafo ye be shia ye be jeans bebre hu and the topic I discuss one a very interesting pa ade bia etaisi but nipa bebre turn a blind eye to it to de bia na obi ene ne yire e wo ho obi ne ku obi ne boyfriend obi ne girlfriend na ehia mpacho ye show yes say your relationship dominated inti na ya tai basan na bia wo ba no ana se be ma no asem bia ba na bia dane ntokwa na bi oba pese okọ ana be ma bi pese okọ na aye ensem bebre na enso bia na ade asem no no so aba obeti ayi na aye ensem bebre na enso eja ni banya obi ha na bia obi wo area ho ana obi ti fie ho wo yire na wuja no na bia ye nim se ne bia na ni gini ho se bia wo ye good Samaritan ti wo pe ba bia ma na tena ho anase wuku na wuja no anase wuku na obuafu na so no aduane ma no o baabi be ka se obi a me se same nyoma kokakra papa we na se wonfi me enti me kom ma me ho kakra wo ya se okọ ne ma me obo se obi oba na dafo no abetena ho se ene adwani ho enti me kono no aduane aka ma nkwala no ana makohwe ayi kwaku kakra adwampo ni ho ai wa adwoa se de nyoma ye no kwa ye ma reho ebi so ho no ma na ebi a wo boss bi woni ne wo office waka na yire hunsam say bia na yire kura nhwe ne yire ne yire enene enye fine na bia won so decide say okay he said your boss o ye good wi na yire ne enene enye fine de ne de meye mumu ne say me be boa boss anasa me kotena fios say na yire boa fu nti wa parking ne nyoma koteja me kono no aduane nye bibia adwen boni bia nta akiri me kono no aduane ama boss anasa e bi kura wo ye sorry church secretary bi ena so for mama bu afu ni ku ana asem bia ba wo de onimu so papa na hye da kasa na yire kura parking ne oma ko wa frena wo fi no onya aduane mpo ni na wo se bia me ko no aduane kakra ma no ana wakofa ne masa wo ko hwe ne kakra ana mama musa be me na obi pa mo na yire ede asi abonten wasesa ne oma gu abonten ana wo so asesa sister bra be da hawaii neja be da couch ni na wo de wada mpa ne so na waje oba na de atena wo dem wo ya ne papa o anase nye ene sa topic ni yehwe anase bia wahu so obi ebo ne yire obi ta didi ne yire atem ana obi ta didi ni ku atem na wo se ye wabufu ntie ne wo de wo koboa nipa na se de ne yire ye ne nti na wo koboa no anase de ni ku ye ne nti na wo koboa no ana obi eja ne ma egu ni ku so na woko oba wakohye ho no mo se bia wo de wo kono aduane ama oba ne kakra be ma ne kakra oje hu se and as answer me about the discuss me busa say is it not because infringement of freedom was a right and enya say I said who overextend the rights eko obi mu obi so beka say na ma nipa no oni ho papa nso ese se odidi nipa no oni ho papa nso ese se odidi nipa no oni ho maami nso ese se odidi enti na ye me koboana we e de na kire se ma ye boni bi eni o ma bi ho e bi no ka won che da ante ase na enti waja wo ye ku ho wo ne na ko enti mo obi anko no aduane mma no oye hu se ena nyame adom wo sof maami Jean Anderson ono enioma se ya de entokwa ba fie no eni enioma na ni je ho pa ba ko wo wiase enti ene ye badwendwen saa ensam yi ho ansana adis ababa ai omo mienu na eneme ne omo twetwenkom ye busa se omo ho ne se sof mame mo akwa ba na ho te sen
pacho mi ho ye
ede nyame ase adisa
Reverend
pacho ho te sen
nyame na adom
ede nyame ase ai mi musa we tie ase de ye kan obi na epa mo ne yire adisa mame sha se mfiri obi pa mo ne yire de ya papa yi pa mo ni no kwasem ni she is your dream ana papa ya pa mo no na ga yi su na wa hu no so tigeta no na wo si adan papa nso so wo mie no na wo si oh okay me kura dan me go na me team sister me so me kwa djuma ntem me kura me ne won nampo but said ye wo ti wana wo si ye do rainy season ti said ye nsuo no toto na asa o ti e bobonti woni tu de bra na bra betena ne o fa ne o ma begu dem ha ana say be the same house pop bra ya ye ne ho kokota ko wapa mo obai wa ya wo se wanye no na so wo si eja wo kwa sori nyame se me ye mra wo papa ye ho to ay say ne fa ne o ma begu ha na beda ha any 1 week or 2 months so manage and a sister ebeda ho ti oda ho no mo so be kwa uba no na wo kwa no magya aduane sika kakra ma no na je ono so de no aduane kakra e de esi ho enti wo ba nwumre no na che se aduane wo bo ani bi wo ho ana ani da mo sa
wako asemi kura maza asema mi ba be kan emfa odi ho
okay kasa wo de kasa ade wan wo bi de bia to no
asemi de no na waka yi
ko so emitie
oh media no kremu menye meni no betimi akasa meni meka bibia se ukunu enje wodia there is no way me meka se me jiu at me dem even if I'm not around because me ni ho na bibi etuwa e na meka Debbie, and yes, I did either Obepa or down for be a cotran in chain, and now say Obeko or Bush and Nibin chain. But see, me babe fower better me fear dear, and I mean them dear. Debbie, me be because there are a lot of risk in this, because one she na a Dania a behow. Why she ne Dania ebe how enti me meka se there be me nkofano me o Kristonia advice amema one say haida mehwe se meka mu abom anase mepe wa busuani bi ama wakotra ne nchen for oh yes anajo ne de Debbie because me hu bi da nsunsan so ana ekira sem no edoso ena me so me oh anajo de me ma
anajo na ade ne be kwa na say anajo no be manada
oh Debbie anajo no me manenda no matter the situation mema wa akọ Debbie enyesa ebiasida 3 different times I see one nanso matimia aye amana atu afame so
wan hu bida
oh
o ko for baby sa betna
Debbie etu fame so Debbie wanda me nchen etu fame so oh nyame na adom nyame odan
na o pechi obi
oh na opese ono onyaya nka obeda me ona me si kai aha me mauda ma mbua me ho mebua
na nka be de
oh se enyem obeda ho a mimi manu beda ho a
and then be phone lines in tempa ni ahwe
wambua me
obi pamo na yere obi pamo ni ko obi pamo ne boyfriend ne girlfriend
enti ni pano nto obi me ka che
obi me bi o church kakra bi o se ma na mejawo wo so te ne nchen and I want to put him one gay so you're fine. Gay who say gay or brow of go ray home. Walk on and out back on and I will me. Papa more to return or more treaty girly. That's again what Pamela again is a brown mini baby ako. No one who now bet mamma the baby and over Casa Brown of you on 2 money baby nana. And I will be a church and which then a year a niku. May come mammy home media me yam my idea. Also to Brownus, who shall say the bread, Debbie our din docon, a dear didn't we decide to say, oh, said the bread did docon dear this time dear me and Casamay Adrian papa. Eddie man. So no aduane ana je so akobọ pray ipu na de akoma ntie du ba bi no se ho ne me kokora meja me kid ama no de siesie dem ho na why ho fine na je se aduane bi ho a je se me ba na why aduane nyina ba be di bi ne bone ne se me do for na san komo se na ye edi e wa hano mo bomodi ansa won so ba bia wo bia wo be send me messages na je se yakoyie kama kama so mama Bible say me emre wo papa yo bebe bi wo hon mo ekonongo kaya one crop you walk around on worry about. And so there be an old bugay, you know, Pamono, no, did not tell money idea. It will be dinner Nina Unimni Panity. Won't be one panana, boy.
Rev me da senior me in Shabby, Nilika me chia a tear for Nina, any me con Bishop Alfred Cobnate, we unders any piece for Nina, Yamin Shiro Bibia. Mammy, ye can't, and I boo baby says in Sanemu, a crabia. Na enkrabie mu nsem so no oye ho hwin so a etoda enye yie enti medie nya meye nyina ne se mepeka ama no anadwo se menye bidie a na odi akọ a ofiri a obetena anaso nipa ne eware ne ede ne eba me mfa ne enko me fie ebi asa anadwo no oba beda me nche ne minim ne ebesi minim ni ebeto no awo menchen enti ema ne betina menchen ena moreover ne nso no otina wade ma na say relationship no wo mu no onim say enye na so bi wo ha of feel say sepa say obefiri obeko fie na nipa ka say wentumi antina wasamba ne chi ne na obetine mu na ne ebeto no ato no ewom until say ebedru that level ya to no ato abonti na o feel say just one who say nipa no da abonti ansa na wabo ma me sa nipa ne me nya ne mo ase o metina me fie na me ye na mo a me ye ne mo ase on sign ne chi enko baby a ofiri ebai esanse ma minim obetina me nchen minim ne ebesi minim na busu
ade utimi so so ana ade una ese so ne da
enye ne sa minim no minim ne ebesi minim ne busu ya
eti ya mo nipa wo wi ase bible say
so asamba sisi ade a obehu na dofo na wehu abusu ya
eti anaju sumu no ma me musa watu kwan da watu kwa kodru baby anaju da why stranded da it obi nka se wonimu nti ontimi moa wo na ho meda ho no because wonimu fie wonimu we nti obi antimi moa it is this generation say mumma nyamesom nye practical
ana nyamesom no asesa kakra ne nti ameka ne san se obi betumi a pretend say oni baby krati
okay
na so oba wo ba
enti da bi se anti wo kan fa se oni nati fie ana wo ye neighbor said the bia kakra bia na boy as on no hwe nti na oteatea no e obi so okra wo baby kakra bia ne me come ma me ho ganka wo mo isika e ma like isika fo mama no kakra bia me de me kofie me come papa ho papa sa me mra fie na me de ntimi ntina me no aduane ne bra ya ka ono nko anti utimi ko no aduane po ma no where is your papa your instinct
debi anu de anya adwuma anu de ntimi anya because obi dia obi adie
enti onye ne ho ade
onye ne ho ade oni ne net samre no there is a consent oni ne net
me da for na de oba frame in time because me who say has is angro for us o my consensus obi a say na de so practical na so God bless you obi say mama je wa say God bless you for your program je wa nyame shira won so and Maxwell Mate I say good evening mommy God bless you for your good work. I'm watching you live from Tema. God bless you too. My Mary Ameya I say good evening Rev, nice program, God bless you. And mommy ya for sure I say mommy I really love you, my mentor, how I wish I can meet you one day. God bless you. God bless you so Obapa. And And then the Kenya the messages in FM because I had also do. And sana obi say, "Mommy, I really love you. I really love you." Okay, but you home my kind. And Keswa is say, "Mommy, please wish Rafia happy birthday in advance." Oh, okay, Rafia, darling, me happy birthday. Uma me mention the one day we train so. Obi say, "Mommy, I follow you on the prayer train and it's very powerful. God bless you." And Obi say, "Good evening, Rev. I'm watching you live from Belgium. I like your program. God bless you." And Felicia Chroma, God bless you too, darling. And something. I say, "Mommy, yeah, boy." All right. And mom, Obi say, I say, "This is the best program." We thank God, obviously. Na dia hibiem chese dia hia ochire agona nkum ochire na me nshira ochire nsunya ka say this is the best program and yes because full soldiers say dia omo wo ba bia nti omo tie dia nkoyie ne dia nkrofo try ne ade nyina nti so ka say we your best ochire na we say your best program hina bio na obaji we chi Fantin and na sense you na to na egu Fantin so. Good evening, ma'am. Please, I need your number, okay, my darling. But we are the better one today. And Brian Mo Gaddafi, say, I love this program. God bless you, darling. Honorable Abedi Kwadaso Kumasi, say, I'm enjoying you live. All right. Yami Inshra Papa. Watching you live from USA, United States of Anomabo. Besides, good one there. Yeah, I like that. We say, upon Ben and was inside Cote d'Ivoire. That's nice. That's really nice. I like all of you, my idea. And we say, good evening, Mommy Gold. Nice topic. Watching you live from Austria. God bless you, Ernestina Usia. All right. Me, I feel say they are more hypocritical. What person mo chere say and the papa ye ni honum because answer we say esi we fie bebre mu obi wo honum a wo ne wo sofo ne wo ho sofo yi wonim sofo ma me sanso nim sofo enya sofo ne sofo ma me enya problem sofo ma me afa ne nyoma kakra akọ ebi kura sofo bro sofo ma me ba sofo an kan cho so wa bro sofo ma me okoye sofo say commodity na wo koye aduane kakra ma sofo a
and we are different.
Of mammy Becca who say, and we say, then I will hear of mammy Tino. I didn't know head of one tea. It's what Noka class or Conono Dianaman. And no sooner must you obtain permission, Patama. Must you obtain permission from Soft Mammy and Sana? One way the name any papa and son.
And we are so bad.
No, we are not talking about so be only no I had of woe. Make come will be here. It's the same thing.
But there are people that will stand in better position to do that job for the pastor. And I say Emma sa okununa and I say Emma or you know or nuya. A big grandpa or maid servant will fear home. And you're all assuming that position. But for you from outside to come in, now I can say me baby, yes, Mommy, me money in me, but
no,
I don't do that.
Your mama be only made.
He will not.
It is all who knew made the Diane. Nasa wouldn't you
understand you?
Women, women, women organize the Debbie. Melko penny or was ordered. I mean, when you are in one for just a worry, no worry. It is just a who was a son, your Makwana, before vanity. Money and ready on a mass of Debbie. And you know, no service, no rent. She
is not in the best position because we are a family issue.
Now, family
handle it. It's a money or ban the cramp your own. Sanya ni yebeti mi afa ne mana ba behwe sofo no ana ko se sofo no so onu aba obeti mi aba
ba be phone line internet abrotefo mo friend bi wa
emeku
abrotefo mo friend
wa ba ne bi kwa ni wo mu dida
sofo ya wa hanu mo ne
bi kwa ni wo mu dida
sofo mami we de mi ni onya
bi kwa wo mu dida
adi sa mi tie o
reverend se osofo ba a o ya sorry mamu e mamu akwankyere e mamu prophecy na ne iri ni ho.
Now made
no be and be Johnny man
because on in
no. You need to console him.
Yɛnyina ha say console.
Get consolation.
Okay.
Obe consolation console asia.
Dabi. Obi anko asie. Yesu be no aduane. So mami, wa kwasuru dodo.
Ibu so ma say. So mami.
Asie nka ho.
Me bo right or see enti obi ntimi console sofo na.
Who
ye den na
no.
Who do you console?
Aduane no. Uchichi ni wura ni
aduane.
aduane.
Eti so mami uni ho. Ba wadanfo. Wadanfo pa fine lady. Obetima be no aduane ma hokun. Wadanfo kra onim woni ukun fine. Otimi be fie when you were to be kra would da konwem say na wadanfo wan no aduane ama ho. I just say like you are friends.
Yes. Yeah, what can you? It depends on how
Adamfo aso ne yake.
Close yeah. Say na oka say otimi be yema. Obeye ma me ni me kun edibi. Oka so obeye ma me kun edibi. Na just me ni wono si o. Obeye amani obetimi so aka say on di because na yire eni ho.
Enya ne yire ndi one na.
Na yire ni ho.
Sa bre nya.
Okomu di no. Okomu di
restaurant.
Onye die. Dabi. Onko restaurant. Aden na uko ye.
Talk of consoling. Any abano obana sofu butu osu.
Ba jo mama me
Dabi obutuwa obechichi ne wure.
Buediwa. Ba jo ama buediwa.
No saying.
Me da say. O se nyame asem no de bechichi ne wure. Ani ofo nyame asem chichi ne wure.
So
na afi
obutuwa
restaurant.
One after
no go didi. Owia ana so pani nua ba betina.
Be your brother's keeper.
Mama here. It fa say wo kun ai bia because our real challenges there ba. Mema timi kun, ma timi kun. Mema ni wo yerenum timi kun, ma ni wo kunum timi kun. Timi fa say ebufu ababa ko afirifie. Wo prefer say wo oba de bi ko obuafu asa ne o makọ ma me ho kakra. Wo prefer say okun bedi dokun wo abonten.
Ne
nyabotre mi busa question. Who prefers okun bedi dokun about who prefers oboko akoto indomie wo kwa ho say obi be ba be no aduane ma
yes or no yes or no would you offer yes or no answer keke what you say
nobody has argued about it messages kakra. We are live on Facebook, baby. I will be out sending a message. I Adom 106.3 FM. SONIAWOY. Obi said, God bless you, mommy. Pure gold. Was a good evening. Was a good program. Number 1, watching you live from Birmingham, UK. Okay, sweetheart. Yeah, that's a papa. And son, Hayford, Jay. Was a good evening. My mama 1. Was a Rev, mommy. This is your son, Hayford, Jay Ofori, watching you and listening to you live as usual from Achim Esiakwa. God bless you. God bless you, Hayford. And son, Obi said, I like you too much, Mama. Besmak Minta. Besmak Nyami Shira Papa. I love you too, my darling. And Nyami Blay. Was it today is the first day listening to you from Italy and I'm enjoying it. God bless you. God bless you too, darling. Sylvia Mac Adi. Or you can't do that. Why do you cook for Osofo?
Yeah.
I don't trust any woman or friend.
Why do you cook for
Sylvia? Sylvia. If nobody should cook for Osofo, how do you Osofo for here? Sylvia, Jaina, you don't have any idea to even say anything. Oh, be a Sofo, Pobi, non ready. I'm watching you live from New York, Sylvia Makadi. Okay, God bless you, darling. And Obisa is never the end. Obana, the wait man say your mako. Emu will be ready and it's never. A man ready animal Sofo. We are Sofo penny. Sabre corona breast na irejan home and ready animal. You are ready Sofo. I can say you are coming to receive. Obisa today Addis Ababa pa is rejecting an opportunity. And Estina Uswa. I am in one po. But who said not prepare? Some me can not prepare. And Udia me was not prepare. On prepare, dear, any true. Sometime maybe Obano Baby Huninchu, when who said, say, Night Opoku was a nice program. Emmanuel Abwaji was watching you live from Dallas, Texas, USA. What a topic. Wow. And then one year treaty. And Mama Linda or say, Mommy, you do all. God bless you. And Emmanuel may my be. I say, Mommy, good job, more fire. And then maybe a phone lines in them. But off when nebrem. Omo kakra na stop kakra na tie kakra na yekosa. And some omo kan ya me say some no mo ka say nyansa bia je dem. Ya ko eti say de wobetimi abo. Yenhwe o. Nipa bia obi awabadaye. Woni obi na tifi wo hu say de bia obo na yire. De bia wo bo na yire. Ye wo ba bi so wa oba soja ni. Otimi bo be ma so na papa yi wa jump from one veranda to another veranda. Papa ya ko land obi veranda so. Na wo ba yi hunahuna ne sa. No asaka che say wonim na begina gate ya no. Mebu aku say wonim. Metena wo yam. Na say sister wo fi ho so kwa sori. Ugidi esu yie. Etu be papa ya tena bonten anu ato pom. Bible say wanya ma onua. Obi ye isia obi ye janka wanya ba bia na wanya duane ani wanya ba bia na. Enu ti wanya amam ye awrade. Tu be papa yi. Na sister what upum wo bra ho kwa na ada. Sister osujani. Wo be papa yi wo man ba bi na no aduane indomie poa. Are you going to leave this man like that?
And so
now we are going. I didn't have got this is bad. This is bad.
Reverend, asem na me di kan ebi sida ne ye ne se ye kope ya damfo oba ho e ma lady ne da ye. Mimi dem de obi ambasa we shrine.
Na wadanfo no ye hwan.
I don't know who them de obi am.
Eh shrine. Osofo de be ye dua, osofo de hwe, oso Reverend, osofo asem de ma yenka. There be enye trust. But Ukraine there be
who ye sofo.
Who intimacy. There be ni aba wajano no. Onko fa ni aba.
Problem na aba ye beka.
Ena ukoye. Unimanka
anybody. Jennifer, God's will appear or say, I don't get this woman of God. Though.
Of course.
Any woman. Rev. They just say one others and answer she doesn't trust and answer then. Also question ending the man woman of God, I mean I refer to I mean you. Touch not my anointed.
So for my Reverend. Asemina me can see. Also for Sunday. Ya go for so I feel sorry. Na fufu bi kura no mo. Aden who is you should do that.
It is not a church member. Church member
Asem into also for common no.
Okay, so mommy.
You can't do that. No.
It
doesn't happen that way. See, it doesn't happen that way.
Let's stand it. Mami Musa, me fancy oba bi akwaware. Na ni ku apamo no in the middle of the night. And ani ku apamo no si baby wo so ebi kra wo northern region, wo sunwane, wo baby very far place. Na say be maybe wo area ho, na wo be ma wo ba no baby no de nyomegu. No man baby atena. Do you think it's wrong?
I mean it's wrong. On signage.
On signage mra ho sunwane.
On signage.
Oh,
we need dying swear. We need dying so. Maybe a crowd only gan hand.
Man chain plan so be
emergency.
No, I will not support.
Eti ko onko he.
Onko baby front at the chia no aba. So hotel crown e be o man.
Baby betia pamo baby asi. Abroche ni e na man pamo ma.
E wo mantemo po no obepa chompo. Na couch mumpo watna asi atwen anopampa.
Anya de kro.
Mami musa wasema.
Anya de kro.
Nam di kan yesi. Enti won krabia o.
Anti na me busa enti di entia na ma obi bia se be me bi betima aboa no ha. Ade enti na ma be me bi moa no na so onkope obi chewo na nipa no onkoda ne couch mu. E ho no boa me kaka.
Eni bia hotel.
Da bi mi busa se e di enti na ensese obi boa no be me bi boa no.
You should not trust anybody. Ebi asa
anani kuna tinya bonesi abonten na obi fu fry ma le baby ada no
mu asem esi senya wodi kankan etumi si enti enu so nkire se sa moment na no wa park obi se bra betina me nchen ana beda me nchen ti no na wakwa da ho ma dwere ma ade achi nipa no nim no wan
okay mfa se onya baby na on
kwan mami enam ka se eye lodge asori fie krampa kobo mu na pacho ne ma
anya di pro ana di ye mi asori da man grofo na mo first na ngangrofo e chiro man kan asori dem ani roman asori dem ya mo chiro Methodist apostolic ni ade ene we kona ya de credo atum ayi jo ya se ne so amuma baby na
there are people there
mami kan so sister and in this modern dispensation asori fie ye fama
hotel
lodge. Reception or betna. Empo adama adiachi or reception.
Finish a hotel.
No,
won't test can only pana kodan reception.
Do you have that money? What about who needs us to nipa ni beda for 1 week? Obemano.
For
1 week. Obemano.
Ba nipa no timi pa mo no de otimi pa mo no.
Anaju se nipa no wakosre ne ho no orepine.
Oh, there be imagine film about you. So for mommy, Debbie. No.
Debbie.
You've gone so far.
Debbie, are you talking about heaven?
Oh, I have veg, mommy.
Nipa no be man. Eti bia nipa no ne beda.
There is always been friends
or iPhone.
Okay, it's me fancy.
Opportunity na basebra better me tell.
Okay, opportunities.
I'm some full front some fancy. Yeah, Ebia, we are talking about this woman.
Now up adie no pa na na better need them.
Wow.
Me dear, me o Christo ni say me nye.
I say Addis Ababa the onware to ono
no. Freeway, kula na so mintanye.
Enti ono freeway. Eti ya hwe.
Once a while.
Osof Bema be apamo na yere and a girlfriend. And the share asem we be into now. Make I can't remember say one of my friends here. We name no kra. Wo ko ni kun ho wa broche wo kai. Okay. Ni kun ja no wo ye stranded wo. Ekoduru airport of friend kun friend ni kun ayi ni call through here papa no fire ohwe wi na papa ni dum ni phone. Wo say wo ye stranded wo we. Enti na obenya ba bia da. Ana obi be boa no no anya ba bia da na wo say onko hwe asori fie.
Baby he from in obenya obeda.
I'm talking about proximity. David asama ye kan on. Time kan ho.
Obenya obeda e very necessary man.
But you did change. Asam na ye kan time kan ho. Time kan ho. Me fa say bia obi apam obi later wa. Tio. Anya say bia me pese obi aye but let's be reasonable. Obi betimi apam obi okura be mebu akwhye aba no obebo na yire apam no it just because of apam no nti onante 7 miles no kope da bi asori dem no koda
be ma dem na wo so
okay na koda when dem na we abo na apam no ne ade
na
that very moment what are you talking about mami ojina cry a problem na ba a issue
and it can turn into a different
problem and it can turn into a different
that
thing.
is it.
I am
Timisi.
For what? Not just one casa. Oh,
Obi say today Addis Ababa pa is rejecting opportunity. Was
maybe manifesto na mu cancer.
I say kotre ni press up. Addis Ababa ni na me say kotre ni press up. Addis Ababa na rejecting na me. Obi say I'm watching you live from New York.
But see I just saw beji o mami.
And oh but oji enya hwe mami.
Debbie,
I am watching you live from Italy. Mama yini nko why mesre mo. Mama yeah, masam kakra mrana nkofo ntimi tie bi. Obi said today is my first okay, ya kan. Osi you can't do that. Why do you cook for us of so the?
Why do you cook for us?
That issue. Why don't you cook for us? Why shouldn't you cook? Cook for us. And you go watching you live from Dallas. Okay, my kind so. Obi said watching you live and Claire from London, UK. Osi good evening to you all. In fact, I'm really enjoying the show. Nice program. Keep it up. Godfred Aqua. Okay, Godfred Nyamisha. And Anate David was saying, Mami, money a jumapa. No size. No size. Please send greetings to my family members at Adom. Obo Danasi. So Obo Danasi. Especially Joshua Tei. I go okay. God bless you, my darling. It's a nice topic. I'm really enjoying it. I'm interested in it. Very educative. Yeah, Rita. And I saw you as a mama. I don't understand Osofu.
Mommy.
If you marry Dabi, or say Osofu, if you are married, let your wife cook. That's your responsibility.
Where is the wife?
You are married, but if your wife is not around, somebody can definitely cook for you.
That is
Mommy
it.
Gold, I'm watching you live from Bronx, New York.
Oh.
New York for nice and educative show. God bless you. God bless you. And for me, I will help the person because I can be happy too. I can be happy.
Bruh. Bruh.
I will help the person because he can be happy. He can happy you too. Say to you. Okay. And I saw BDD we are any jeba. And Esther said, this is very educative. I'm really learning something. Sorry, Jau Kuhona Cotton Fee, and I say, Major Horse, but me peso be a ben ready animal. Selfish women. Or him, or him, I'm a child. Say hello, mommy Gold. Hi, darling. And Nyame Blay or say, not all men will have bad intentions. So it depends on the person. So in this case, we need God's intervention. Share when I go free and go post a rade. Me faniko and a rade, me faniko and a rade, me faniko. Na banku na mokoto junction on so of mama musa banku na mokoto junction on de munim and obi say good evening madam Obaya Grace and Florence away you me from nyami shira obi say Florence was say Rev oh, who is that? Oh, Lady Rev, mommy, you are dealing with good topics. You do, of course. What I say? Senior video, I say, Misru. Who will be raising foolish topics? Emmanuel Abuaje, or say, here again, watching you live from Dallas, USA. Or say, can I contact you and discuss similar thing because thing happening to me here in Dallas? Okay, no problem. More loot where we are, more friendly. Some more loot to shops in area. Hey, but we can remember say you are USA for. Say mu bebre mu hian yoma e shoes ne bags na grofo mai no ma ko say designer bags ne ade nam ye san ho kire wo Priscilla Otumfo obi say please with this care must be taken to handle this issue. True, but say papa no ma me na jan hwe ye won krofo bi ho a ade ye kan blindly but e bi wo obehwe mu ne bi a oba bi ho a woni pass ni ku ne di wa bonten. Na so no wa sheda asem kituwa bi o se meja papa ho no wa kotra ne maame no aboda ni atu free o mo so ne maame de awie bia no ma wo fufu adi papa yi wo ba wi dokon awi we ni ade na se church secretary woni maduane mbo no agents of maame na wo ba betra no 2 months no aduane a oti wo sa wo ma eso se not church secretary fa woni o makọ na so nyame be ba beto I can't leave fish I can't leave fish for cat and Sylvia you two don't leave cry because onya akọ any cat one or obisa mama you are dealing with good topics. Okay, thanks. Obisa Lady Rev your boy you are okay. Na spirit be no tete me say all right yankwa hanomo na fe yampeki we kakram. And a topic is very delicate. A ma be break me ja won ko no mo. O baby bit me ja na yire hono mo. Obi hono ma bibi kakra bi no apam o ba si abonten na for ba no I stranded. Obi okra no wa bi a ote aquantium. And wa kofa wo ba no de na ba brochire. Na wo ba no hu say in the middle of the night hu so ba ni abusuani bi a hono. E hono be se dan ye na de ya pa. Na say on next door neighbor ono so ya akata ni. Be me so wo muscles fine. Na go hwe wo ni wo hwe okra hu say nye mapa na sebe wo mo hyeda enhwa de ya na kaga we broche ayi Ghana wuti ka be ware obi akakọ ya akoya ti Ghana ni suban ayi ati abroche nkoye na wo pam na si abonte wa pam ga iti gate ya no osu na akoya say bring your things in come here
come in
I'm gonna take care of you na fi ade abeji agun ne be so 19 din na mo yi why money I want to go to the money. Oh, I want money. I say, "Whoopamo, obi esi abonte." And I will buy we janiku. And I will be okra unse ni kun taibo no. O baby so timi bro ni kun. Yes, a mema ni tainka. Ba hu papa unse ya bono ma onye hwe enye yi. O be ya tena ne ye ma na ya se nyina ko no nyina pi. next woman baby tena anu anu aduane kakra mana wo no say eya na say frame na yendin komo number ni 0302216561 0302216562 frame nene yen twetwe enkomo so for mama Jean Anderson was on the obetime agya ho 1 year kura nse so bi be no aduane ma
nitimodin
the person chese no my skin cake sa do kun wo kwan ho sa no milo sa na no be ma bi frame so mami asantini be ma manum ti ma hu se me yemu kura ye twakuro efi se me yiri nimpa sa me pa bonte aduane ana be ye gya me ho no akopɛ ba bi atena ana da bia gise me anka sa me ba bia na ma to me milo na ma ba ye me to me ti na ma ba ye manum sa mama ma bre wo be so nware me person ka me twempna
no
and I'm saying ebe ye dia so ma dia jano na ware foforo yenko yenu hello
Pacho, good evening.
Good evening oba Pacho first and aka sefin
Pacho, your firm equia make a safi Pema community 7
yo
me Pacho like you see an area sia yehu nti se me womboa bia me de beboa be manu so minti minje nto me dem hade but guest house bia nearby no me kwa ko pe baby amano na wada ho
baba me musa o se ne yire hu se ne yire ti se wo na akopɛ guest house man no ebe hu ne se
so before me ko no me so bia neighbors bi wo wa me kwa konyane omo na me de atu neighbor ni nim na like mini onu ni neighbor ni na yeko ye be ko guest house na ko to obo because anadwi nsem do so
baba me musa asem pa cho de ne ko to guest house anopa no be kwa ko to milo kakra de akoma na
anopa no the same ni pana me ne ko ho na me kwa ko frɛ no na me ni na
sister jadi o ke kan the same one there's no just forget it this are the same one nipa na ko to koko anop koma na anopa why should that crowd na kwa chire that guest house e mu aga sasa me koma ni millionaire yango yani hello hello me ba to ade obi gina wona so ayi wona free na netimi kasa yi
pa jo you
ya first na kasa fin
obi anu mi nan so
all right mpa to yanko
aposi pabna e kasa fi report manya
all right be me na mami
na eyi obema bu oba na apie na so oba di ogogu be ma onu de se mpie so ohun
ada bi se be ma no pese o mu obi ehun si abo wa betimi de apie
oba bi ebu be ma bi wo ha nura on de mpie
ade no be ma ne ya bo me on
de wo mu kwa edem 70 on de ye kwanto be bi
ya bo yanko
ba to eyi oba ni be ma sem no yetimi kanu de din ba te ya musu mu kokoro ye kakra
ma say
ya kwa pabana ya mi so ko ni ma one jomo wolo
okay yeah that's it no my way was it my way job oh ya mi sra won so what we said this is very educative Esther Aqua yeah that's Esther and now him am I say hello mommy gold hi darling hi hello yeah me ben papa Jefferson and I got everything
FM Kobe Nkasafi stay atem kukwento me
Kobe Bajo obi te o sere so apagya ne sinche ne kasa why
mate obi eni ho em say eba ne saa na wonim nipa na enkoye o se bia o saa dwembo me kan bia area ha na onim se bia metisa na bibi sesia in the first place na emba wotirim say onkonko kope seconder so man be ja okwan because of evidence the thing say when you show you man na wo pese wo ye na wo ye so ade ase e na akwakoye and sometimes no so say be you oba no go about na be man na so oba no and na e wo suban say be ono de pe be man na that night no whatever will click but normally bibia na gina oba me oba no so oh masa ana bia me dempa me srew say ne problem na balantino and masa nso a aya na easy to click because the pain was a bear man and oba no crocro na
chemistry bia ni hono mo a ene click
na me be make say be mechanic say bia oh enye hwe jai oh nya so bia no because me hu bi da nsawom
ebisika oba na ball bu bi sa no
to bon say ne besi no nya say bia wa plan it but it can come what I say and in the first place me sambo aba so me feel say says CJ no I am on handle in the morning show. No, we are very good. We are straightforward.
Correct.
Morning show the I'm in 90. This can end in a good or bad. But one for Antoine so. And Morris or Hene Ejapon or say this topic is very interesting, mommy. Some of the women are very wicked. I'm the business of my media here. Wow, I baby at so say mo be mommy.
Hello.
Hello, baby papa chef first and I got a thing.
The packet friend my chief the 50 new tafu. Taxi driver for papa me new tafu.
All right, taxi driver yen ko yanim o yen saying.
Me pacho. They say my way now also for in one hour so you go the anima. Ne obey dear. Obey the anima ni dear. Say Adom.
Adom say.
Ai, do you have a social say or no be
obey the anima no kuna walija again. Ode the anima question in some kugusu mia and some man or man ageni bi aken. The team.
Na de open just a be man do onim nyansa na.
Yes, the man in your bed. The one talk a car by na ebia oba no say ebia okon. Oba no kokko ebia na kaka de ama no. O kase mi da to ni team say okwa ama no nko. Na na de
na feel say e ba ne sa na say oba ma no. Oba fufuro ye aduane ma ebe ma oba na bantem. Awa oba bia nko ye aduane ma mi betima kwotena 6 months.
O timi kwotena wa sa.
Ani ade nti na okọ ani omra ne yanka asam na
oba no omkana ntiafe yedwuma bia ani e de yeyi
but asi do mama musa said ya wuken papa e wo asori kese wo da no emma bebre wo mo person meboa no enti ne yira akonti am obi a meboa no na ne yiri nso agya ne ho na papa osofo nimpon no didi abonten yeah hello
good evening.
Good evening, me ben papa. Your first and I can say
your friend Mr. Mikasefi Mampondo Kwanta.
All right. Mr. Damamiti you.
Yeah, I'm a very nice program I'm
God bless you.
Na onipa de me madwem bone ma utrim sa. Ese se wu se sofo no. Oye nyame nsi anamuni. Nyame onya bone. O de so uzu se nipa nyina ye bone a sofo no de yini sinchen so onya bone. Ko na ko boa no. Na memfa dwumboni bia nse utrim se me koboa na bibibesi wo se o si bibibesi ya o hwe Genesis chapter 1 verse 1 na o si radical se o kan kwa o si enya han na ye han wo si bibibesi nti de se wo wadwen mu umaye mai adwen mu nya clear ne ntu fam
se mo wadwen nya clear nti so anka se bibibesi di anka bi kra bibisi kra ensi
yes
yanko yani na mi sra why hello yeah me ben papa che first and aka say
minya baba ko pe
yes my darling
de o mo tu kan ina o tete sem no mo kan kan
forget wo mo na yanka sampo a
what I say ene wi ase no asesa se me ti wa me yesu jani ya me ti da mi na nsu atoyi na ge na okoba na me ni kunu ni kunu ya kwadofo ba no mo mbo no ho modin
sa
ena ma na ge no so di no huni ena me hwe ge no de wo ye nyina e wo se
ena owo body kakra
body
sa
what I say ena o be ma no ne ti dem na nye ba no se so ne be ta be ma no na be ma no ba no bre no ho ase ma no ena wo bofo ni fu nyina what ti na kwa se wato ni bi sei enti no wo pake ne ma ba na me se sabu mi dem
why ya tie
what ya tie oh me kan madam me kan na dawo no ko na me ka cho no
why ya die
se me gina su wonti ade china so opa o de keze kan bra me fa ho me dia se me de tu mi dem mu enti dia area for ka se woni na dawo e ka kura no an se ma fa ho akọ na se wo bi waja
na better say papa wa sen no
ma ko tira masama no ma ko ngo ba ma fa no o go bo na me ko mebi
na wo ye de ni
o se ya na me not na
ai ha intia
ma me dia se de mo ka wo nya
no
o ma gina
yeah ni Judy yanko yani yanko Morris ohine Japan said this topic is very nice mama sofo of the women are very wicked, or the opposite, some of the wicked women. Okay, and then Yami Blay or say he should go and buy food to eat and protect those who will be tempted. Oh,
God bless you. God bless you.
Hello.
Temptation.
Forget it, dear. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, my darling. But your first and I got a thing.
Your friend question me Casafi Princess.
It's a question I can say and I say,
Me Pacho question.
okay, anyway. Bra question young quite.
Me Pacho, Mamina Asamo Cano, and hello.
Bra question, why you confused now?
Mamina Asamo Cano, and I mean, yes, yes.
Mammy Bay.
The Ocase on Pese will be better than Yama Sofono, and your Nisi Sapa.
Aye. So no, I see where Jow Bearman where Jow punish you. It's a getting our better punishment in the whole. I could be a
I see no fee call Mammy Juan. I am funny to walk on Mammy Hot. No, I got to know Mammy Horse 1 year, 2 years into Beman in Tinasisa.
Abby, the woman said, Bearman crowd better than I see a son. Maybe we read your honor, which are 3 months when you're my poor bit on ready animal. I made us say, hello.
Hello, Mammy.
Yes, my darling. But your first and I got a thing.
I'm the king. Processes Legon.
You have a can, Pacho Mammy.
I don't know what you did just to me paying.
Sir, when I was in your man and I saw no more about it.
That we made an day and the Jana Metano. Now, man, back on the wife, and every day no more. To one day, and maybe our mountain to connect to a demo. No, no, demo mean 2 Medan, maybe Medano. The moon as a woman never done Medan, Monsieur Good.
Mammy, I buy over.
I didn't make a bravo.
And this is what
Obula one ordinance at 2 now, no sell upon chop. No mean Casabecho.
no shot idea.
Or Shatalemo.
What cover baby?
Or cover by Biamo.
Okay, yeah.
You she made them to me and Casa. And I first now a lockade down.
And I will lock it.
Okay, Sana Obadano, man by one way and John, who say, well, Beshamiho.
Is there no so born in San Jose?
Man and cafe. In Tadicina, our machina woman feel quite, and put the money that but me the other side, me pay more on that as one to my.
Why is it Uncle Fabio? I assassin.
Me pato I penny me kula
mammy safe. Baby, honey, can I do both of the orchard? I said, well, are you alright? Are you alright?
I penny me to know.
All right, Miss Yamisha, young.
That is it. I cannot man back no who's a chami. Many Kazakasa, man, being on Kacham, a woman, better, maybe a woman, the man, better.
Oh, forget to know. So, fear will be the banner say of our child, Fanicia. Wouldn't him be a town or so? It is a sort of this answer.
The man in some mamma Kazan to pen, yes, a bit to give the Yadame.
Darby, and also check I, Mammy Besser or Cassie Dino. And now we in mind, maybe I couldn't dear bone. It's one. I just want to what I see. I know the Nipabia will be the banner semi poucho. Mammy baby, a book on any penny a for. But at least, send penny a for cry, be an for a penny kuno. Or bet me a kuno when him. It is so didn't see. Now we are actually not be a wound some now at the local police station. What I say, I know you're better, but I know dear. Why do you will be so crow on your for. And so then for a wrong accusation you didn't achieve. It's one way now sim, may na on you. No be a kuno when him na fe baby actually. None moja. I bet Yame Busa won't something. You may be sad. I said, what did I see? Why are they? Mammy Guazuka will be said this very this topic. Okay. And the message is here as a quana swabber. I dare say me. All right, my uncle in coffee. Will be saying, I'm so late. I said, God bless you. Mommy, I said, God bless you, mommy, with your good work. God bless you. And as I'm Adom, I say, I'm so late. Please update me. Hey, Masumi, I'm with Ohima Amacha, I say, God bless you. I really love your program. Keep it up. Oh, God bless you to my darling. Sylvia was saying, sometimes you need to be careful before accepting somebody. You are very interested. You are very interesting. Can I get your contacts in Patria? The number, but you are careful. But then, so will be any problem. I know the Bible crash saying, "Who will be oh, baby near the end of baby." It said you'll be Baby John and I will fee. Now, what son or one saying now what they be without fee. Now, what boy in from and I will say over Gajans or toilet I am. And yet, and there's all money, baby, no John and I. We are toilet I am, money crabba. No, father, and it's your baby. I'm going to know any cocoa to because you are the bam. And yeah, you can. Oh, is there? Mommy, God bless you. I'm watching you live from Germany, Frankfurt. I say, I hear in Germany women are pushing men outside. I was here. The person just said, German, Europe, a man, no mapamoma. A man is here, and also, yeah, too much. And mamma, yes, I'm more mobile. Set your gun, Hamubukunum, Kodramunyomusa, because I hear too much. Obviously, watching you live from Agona and Sabah, from Prophet Alex Apia, Ansa Akesi. Nice program. God bless you, darling. And me kind kakra. All right, and then chin come. I me for back. I will be so. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Eh, me bempa. Me nim so be any so. But sorry. Me be na first and I can say free.
E free me man me kasa fish me.
Me pa cho kasa de ne ja it say was the depression na ban. Ye dey program ti e pe fire na ye dey awie. So.
Yo, Mate.
Brahima, I mean you.
O program here Edin Pau.
Edin na Ede.
Ede.
Yenko.
Na mpacho wo. Ya o bema na so ba na apam. Said you ubia ni ho ya oba na bema abotumi akoda ne o se wo bema na obetumi abo oba.
Sana jo na abeto no so gate na no na. O hu ba bi okọ. Ntimi mo.
Ba o me shi oba bi wo fi o nti na after oba bi na ma na akoda ne ho. Bema ni oba o ne no koda da mu a. Ubi apam no ne de Edin.
Me na azi me na. Ya mi say why. Aso mama maka ma say. Me ka ta ma me young girl na me na kwekwa de me sure say wo tie. Me pie na me bedru ye. Eh, me na de 8:30 kro tibi to ye gate mu. Na ma be ka akire. Na ma ya me nya ma bom ye me awoshi. E na papa bi ofi America na na papa no. Na so pema se me na me call no na me ka chen say. Me na tumpu na papa no no wasini fie Plash pa and Naja or see any membrana or the Dimechi Yanko and I'm dinner go right inside. And one of them go, hey, and I'm saying, I said, there, wow, bed was you, don't worry. Oh, the order, me now. And I'm see you. It's a jam gone. I see you could jarry, Missy Yaminari. What's your Debbie Jarry? Don't worry, Missy Debbie Bajominari. I have the Bape, make what damn pano and pano, at a studio, ha. Sister me umbi down. And pocket see papa net 3 years from 3 to 3. No, the books, what she books war. The place is very beautiful. And I'm saying that's a idea. Come on, me call them a debia will be and sim cramming the papa and say, Debbie, the hammy me call that one time see you. But also I'm going papa and I could generate where you are the town. What the about? Hey! I feel me hands out me. This my baby when you say, and I have a papa no share that or koda and panano. E pano fit say me that one. Na me baby me that no do saka me kwa here me tofo. Papa no so say that koda it's the last end no. One after me one papa ni twa ne ho. Hey! Oh muni. I said we I say, minimo, that's one me that say yeah. And one I'm sorry have him got in the garage. What's your me part of and badger? Me share the garage. It's Maria Jane. It's no go some near. Betsy. Bama be one no we meaning would that. Sinyame anya wadom so wade what the da. Bibi sinyame anya wadom so hon baby odo kwa koto no. Unya ki. Wo da hon ma na ju be hu anu ababi. No, I said, and I said, you over 10 times. Will be Bibisa to a copper before for a recorder because we have no good agenda. It was you no. And I just said the best that or shady. Woman, I bet I was cerebral. That's of my watching at the not now demo. So that's a problem. I said the open. It is copper baby from Nakoda. Banoquasimuni. A bay cross a sempa sabema. Ube pamo yere, a besia won't say. Gun her cried the intensive babies, abruchery. Ubia befa or bar. I shed that in a quadra brucherino. Na ho na okomo treating nti bibi ho no so ba na ka ho anu apamo no edinesia wo mo nkakata mo sa wa ba no no aka wesi abontin sa wa bre nyame so wo mpeni pa no kra ene ekopa ba fufo ne ma ne nipa ne nko ba so be sheda ye wadwe so wo di nipa ne ba de ne di eme de so wo ye neighbor na ho so obi a sheda ye na adwe so wo di ne yire ba da gino na ne ntra e beda ne aware kra aso asi gino nipa bi ehia nipa obi ehia obi aboa no enti se obi ye se wo pamo na yire esi abonten ana ma no so makukoni na mumu ade na mo ware mmema wia na magya omo ho akotena ba bi obi wo kra na wakotena na maame nchen na nkenka omo maame no mo sika kakra na so mabusuafo wo sika no won fa ba ma nya hwe ye se ba ma no ba fiere wa ba be didi ye se ba ma ne ba ho no mansa na ye akwasi aya afa ha no wadidi no akowai enti ba ma ne ko ho no kra na ade kura keka kura ye se ho no mansa no na yire kwa akogia so ware oba no so yatete kwa sa so asi so kwa pewobi na wo kofa won so yire ni features won fa obi ane ni features ne bro wo yire de ne so ene obeba na oba ne gina kitchen hon ma ne ntua ne ntua to nufuo kuntan na odi gina hon mo sa wo yire ono na be fa no ne o ma se wo ba na so hu se okọ yi nyina na obekwa ba bia de fi on madam panya wontimi nware be ma Bible said do well with your spouse baby a wote no hon se hukunti baby a wote ne se hon se wo yire te enti se nyese bia bibi na de wakwa kopie abrochi outside baby na bia mo nyina mo ti bom bibi kakra bia asema pam oba bibi kakra asema pam oba se be ma pam bebre sa mentrent na de bia o mo so dwe o ba de ba ko ehu no se oba bi ho no ma eje de bia be ma no e mo treat no so ase oni ba bia ko obu se no se mebusuafo na ma be ma ni ti jane hoko na nyame be ma foforo so obi amakura ba o me so bom pan na se o ye diligent enough God will definitely give you someone na mentra na be ma bi mo treat you sa de bia obu ha ne ye bu no obu hu na ni ase aso a obu hu na suntem aso a na ono e twa ntro me free by me tehwe wo bathroom wo ye be ma na oba wo ye kurasini papa wo ye tete kwa papa ene mremu yare na wo yare o na ene mremu yanko eni bia bai Ghana hanom ge boy bia waje de homena wani ge bia tena one na wontafo wa motriti ge ne sa ena ge ne ja ne hakwa nkwala ne hye ne keke no so wo bu ono ma wono a woni wawo won hye nkwala ne da eso ye wadwe so ba be gisika so na oba be bo na so bibia na oba be bo obi o so na no eya nti oba ye wo ma sebe wa sinyina wode ayew be bia ho tesa wo ye kurase ni tete kwa enti be bia ho tesa bia sakra wadwe ne hwe said ma ye very precious aya ma po twada pa na wo be ma wo sa oyiye ma na wo ye kurase ni wo kura de wo se so che oba ti ni o me bi ho sa ye nye e na wo pese wo mo treat oba na sa wo bu no bra ni su wo mani sika wo hwe no wo bu ha wo sika outside gentility ni pe hwe no wa bontin nyina anim se be ma e dia ne yire nyon so bibia dia na se so omoa no ye san so wa sofo a omo bu won yire nom as we be sorry them so about counseling. As of mommy for it's high time you come out with this thing. And as of mommy before was a ma me yes of mommy. Be me to me bumia so me to me mo be home. Me na me ye for ma sorry. It will be some say ma me ne jai na me I am me say wa hwe obi be kasa na so waja na ade bia sa woni obi tena na se situation e kwa life threatening un se wa hwe obetimi akun a be ma bia kun ana wo bo wani ba ko no wani be ye potwe e be chi ha obenya oba foforo aware enso no wa say wa brabo etimi di nyame pa wo chew so ne be ma bi wo ho no na se hun se be ma no o mo treat don't allow him when your baby ho na hun se wo mo treat don't allow her wo bi betimi aye wo am afeli so low of yourself don't allow that person freeze our relationship. If not, you will die with a depression because obi honoma wobe ye wa mo feel so low as though you are nobody. Me pa cho maintenance our relationships na ho. Na se bibi koswa no ja oba wonu ku na enya asem. Francophone entra senka asem no. Enya oku ho nkotena o ma me honomo. Na ati said ye waware and so as a mo chempno as a waware and so eja yo na so as wesum be ma na fidie na okwo chempna okwo kasa wuku chempna aduane bia wo bi adi bi da bia bedo ne ko ho enti wagya be ma ne ho na akwotena bonte na wonim se wuku se si a wo na wonu aduane ma no wo expect se wonye dai wonko afi no starting kwota bonte aduane ana aduane bi ho no ma enhye da ntwa yie ma me wo so aware anye yie ana no nkyere se je wo ba ne tena ho ma me fo a ho ma no kwa aware a na akwala ne nyinse pe no wabeka fie ho no mo wone ne betena 9 months ni nyina owo akwala no 1 year so na still wone ne ba ne te na wo expect se ni kunya na ne ku kwotwempena wa kasa we ade bi ho no ma wo start a wontime reverse enti me pa acha wo se ade bi wo ha wo start a hwe yie enye sa nsem bebere e na wo de beba nyame hyira pa acha mo come last words na fe yemfesi ano so mama yanko
me rev me da nyame enhyira me mama bi hwe mamalistic mama nyame enhyira ne na oba bi nso se ochia wa fe yie pa
me
che wa destiny
all right
mama nyame kan se wi ase ne esan e wo ho enti bibibia wo beye bia ne e wo se ohwansa na wetu anamo se obeji obi atena wo nchen a wonnim nipa nase ana wonnim bebi a nipa ne free no that moment ne a hard decision to make but was a wunya discernment na wo hwe say wo betumi agi nipa na aye ne moa ana so say wo bepe extended hand e di aka ho e di aye nipa ne emoa se ne be ya ye nyina ye be ya e di ahye radidin enunyam
hallelujah yo yada say Adisa yanko
Reverend mami chia me secondary school mate me man belated happy birthday Makoni of Sunny Center at my community 1 my plus me
how the workers will be able so ya gbeni o
Makoni Dennis belated happy birthday and happy belated birthday say no mo kanumpo enu anu no ni ameka ne say
where's all my main kind messages no enya me ha
ni amek
shine some my main kind messages
ni ameka ne say uye bema umpe obabia yenka no ensia bonten yembu no me enye recently kura nka me nim say emabubo sada so ho iti bi ache those days me wo
Libya na akotna ni
those days me wo ye nkola na ye hu bibi sa ba 21st century where there say a bronze age a tryon age mpo na still sada so bo bema oh no oba no pena enye problem odi e woni nenka na fa nesi ho. It's better say ubeka na ese abonte anajo de no matter the situation enye anajo na obepam nipa no no enu de enye misre mu a se usu twem na unsi ye pam obi a na wo mu abia odi bebua na pe emu papa emfa ha obi a embreu yes emfa ha obi embreu odi bua no pe kwa obefa so emfa ha ombreu me the mercy reverend
wase hu say obi ehia mmo abomode abo ano na emu pe kwan a emmo ano emfa oha obi a emfa embreu ayene yeda wase se wajebre na odi etie na emu se de me kan ne ho na me se gira na maka kire obi oba ba cho ntra ho mo obi mfa wonye punching bag so woni be ma bi tina se be ma no bo ano bo be ma no otimi ye obi ho no kra bo but o abuse you verbally odidi watem emma wo just say or you condescending or bema wa feel so low as if say we self confidence na no be catch him so say mami me kunti me ya me ama me nam na me hu oba bia na me twa mani na ma hwe oba na say eh ene esim say ma me hu time pa ene oba ene hu fe pa wo say afi no I say de wa boda mo kwa na ma hwe na chi na oba ne kana so say mami hwe ma chi wa hu mark na da honom be ma de ne sin be ma timi bu na asa aka no eh na be ma wo ka oba you dey grace e de nko a ade bi ho no ma na so start asejama wo ya abodam o na me nua ma no mesra mo be ma bi ho ha obehunu sa wa abodam o wo de aware se wo be kun ato o wo mo de ase de gun krofo so mo jujwa krofo nyina start se wo mo buru mo kakra keka wo mo kakra eye eni ade saa kwapem se da na nsem bebre Ghana ha de wo tena se ya na ekun ya kun free oba enti me patcho ni me bi sa wo start se wo hu a free aware ni mu ntem mesra wo na etimi aboa wo na emom menware obi babema na wo so nya wadwe se wo bu ne kwase asa na wo ware na one na tena bibi kitu obi na akọ ma menom ho bibi kitu obi no wagya ne honom bibi kitu obi ho kro so okọ kwan so aba onya mafie na bema ne te wo kombede ne saa na oba ne te honom ekọ aduane e wadi bi da ba me se be do ko nti wan hwe ya be adwen enti no ma bi wo hampa twotwe ho firi mu ansa na sa woni oba ne wo ho anasa woni bema ne wo honom ne se hu se bia bema no ebia na wono no ne nsam kekan bi ne nkyere se asa wo pew obi ha won hye da nya ho ade na nso da bia wo hwe bi oye bi nioma bi ne wani nyi ho afiri hontem mebo mapamu mempew bi ko me pa cho simuntem ana ma men kan kyere ga na mema mesre wo sa woni oba agya ya enkwala no a woni na wo ne de your responsibility eti mona mone mani wuwia na mo se odona santi a affect nkwala no debi me ka che ga na man nyina se ayedofsu pani a woda no wo ye oba wo sheda kosua ade wa brochire wo tese nyame anim odi ma asem ma ne yie enti wo ba bia wo ne be bi ti a wo bu kwasea ana wagya ho no no pese obehwe nkwala mpa to fa ne kodofsu sama me ne kwasea asem se no ososo na nani age ho no watimi edi to the latter enti especially so called celebrities na mone ma wo na mo hwe wo na ma no ko menim celebrity so called celebrity bi ono oba bia wo oba ne di America de ne mat twins ba me fie me na me gye o mo tena ho no for some time ehwe again no ni nyina se be ma ne bo na mo dwade free ho no and again asesa ne nioma gya boy ne honom boy ne say oye wasanso anyim girl no and again no hwe enioma abuse ne common ne nioma na wose wonti wose mami o mo obi akra kwan so obi ma mesra me aduane so amedi so yasem da bia na dane ada patwa eni enioma nsam kika bebrebe girl ne sesa ne mo so wo hwe ne bio de mpesa me cho no sesa oni oba bi wo a it is your responsibility to take care of nkwala no eti nyese oba no aware ne de obi for so se bi aware obi eti oba no na agya ho awagya ho na emom kala no de responsibility e ma no so mpa to mo hwe mo check me ma na dwen yie ansa na mo ne o makota bebe bi ho ayen ware no de enti akọ e obi agya no kire se nipa no won hye da ntwa yie enti enkotena ho na ne sa be ma ne konkotena na won se wa bra bo nyina mese wa bra bo ma ho enti nioma bi sa ekoso a twe ho free relationship ne ntem wo ye na dwen so won hwe wa fa ne ko the appropriate authorities wo na yen hye no won hye wo yen hye no hye nkwala no so one wonyima e yen responsibility so obehye wo so one won nkwala se e yen responsibility se nkwala na one wa wo no nkwala twins ne de wo mo nya hwe ese so hwe wo enti entena ho mo sa na da bia mfrafra nkrofo a wonchen eye be ma no responsibility mema no so a aya na mani abre denden di obi hon mo gina bonten obi wo ye osofo na nkrofo mo won akitafo nti mo bu ma no kwase a na nkrofo ma mo fans wa bonten mo wa bonten aya mo hwehwe nkrofo ni yem mo so called people na mo di o ma kire aya mo twhwe mo suban bebre ho ma dwen asese ebi abobodam ebi hihyi wi ti o ma bodam mo choki o madwen sana mo ne o makwa akotena me di nyame sra mo pa se wo ba wo bi bu kwase afa ne ko the appropriate authorities wo se nkwala wo mu a mo relationship no de mfa aban ho de mo nkwala ne de se o hye nipa no aban hye nipa no na wo hye sa nkrofo no nyame hira wo se o jebre ehwe ye me mo ya abusive wo ba me nware bi da be ma bi a wo bo ba be ma bi a wo hye wi a ontimi control wi no minim nkrofo mo hye wi a o comport o mo fine who say we no ye boa won omu hyewi no madidi kama obi ho no mo hyewi a wontimi control hu no wogimi saa na wo sun wo social media so no ogimi no o sasa hu me say se wonya hu so obi ti saa asomasi enkoware no nkoha wo saa ubedi udokon kwa na me nshira we family lady reverend mama ye bo ase no pacha no aju ye bo mpaye ewo me prayer train so until follow me ewo Instagram the prayer train with Reverend Mami Gold and I say well I know your Facebook the prayer train with Reverend Mami Gold I know your Facebook and ewo Instagram so Reverend Mami Gold me pacho miracles be breathe take it please one more awo munya breakthroughs ahoro omo spiritual marriages anyame eyi free on so and just say bebre adaye so de bebre pacho ntnase na masofu bi musica brebi onya kwadwofo na betimi abompa yenko anya mebejo nyame hira me number is 0207 939870 0207939870 Susie Herbal for Black Rock Honey Whiskey for so ya saying near the Jumedi ya de ebre wono shine aqua and chinchin fidie ma ya sana Jamestown J Co This time you didn't who you. One on a man who you in Facebook messages, you know. You know, I'm a man kind in only credits. And the honey, the best. Yami Shrow, so Jebra, Uti, Yami Atuma next week, Besanso Abba. A soft mommy, Gianna, the beautiful soft mommy, Gianna Anderson, and I was saying in Kano and San Adiz Ababa. Yami Shrow, so Jebra, Ofrey. May I say, family, Lady Reverend, may your boy see you. Yami Shrow.
Rough time, kids. Really space, my stitch.
One day you will know. These are the words of my